Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is harmonic series. So harmonic series generalization. So n equals to 1 to infinity h n and h n whole cube divided by n square can be written as minus summation n equals to 1 to infinity 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 x y whole to the power n minus 1 log 1 minus x dy and into hn whole cube, because friends hn by n square can be written this way. Okay, hn by n square can be written this way, and hn divided hn whole cube I can write, and after that I can write this way: minus 0 to 1 summation n equals to 1 to infinity xy whole to the power n minus 1 hn whole cube log 1 minus x dy, okay, and dy and dx. Okay, there is also a variable dy into dx. Okay, I can write this way, and after that I can write minus 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. This portion can be written as log of 1 minus x li 3 xy divided by xy into 1 minus xy. Okay, I think I can clear hn by hn whole cube. Okay, this portion, this identity can be written as this identity, and multiply with dy and with dx. Okay, friends, because this identity, these multiplications can be written as li 3 x minus y xy into x minus 1 minus xy. Okay, hn whole cube, and after that it can be written as minus 0 to 1 into 0 to 1 log 1 minus x li 3 xy divided by xy into dy into dx, minus 0 to 1 into 0 to 1 log 1 minus y 1 minus x li 3 xy divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, simple partial fractions xy divided by 1 minus xy can be written this way. Now friends, I can write it is as equals to minus omega 1 and minus omega 2. Now friends, we have to see, because the problem is going very long, so omega 1 value, omega 1, you see that I have already worked, because it is very lengthy and I need to discuss very briefly. So omega 1 is equal to log 1 minus x li 3 xy divided by xy dy dx. So friends, and now 0 to 1 li 3 xy y dy equals to li 4x. I apply this for property. this property I apply in here, and after that I can write x to the power n minus 1 divided by n to the power 4 li4 x value. li4 means this is li4. Okay, it's like li3 value and li4 value. Okay, I think I can clear x to the power n minus 1 into the power 4 log 1 minus x, and after that 1 by n to the power 4 xn minus 1 log x minus x. This is the hn, because hn formula is 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 log 1 minus x dx is equal to hn by n minus. Okay, it is minus. So hn by n to the power 5 n equals to 1, and this generalization equals to this generalization. Okay, see YouTube, see my channel. Harmonic generalization. Now after that, friend, for solving this portion 0 to 1 I just take this portion dy. So I can write this portion as log 1 minus x. You see that log 1 minus x li3 xy 1 minus xy yes li3 log 1 minus x li3 xy. You can see clearly this equals to this. Okay, and after that 1 minus xy and ddx of derivative of this portion equals to 1 by xy. So I can get it this value, and log 1 minus x log li3 xy, and after that just simple IBP, using IBP means integrating by parts, then I get this, and after that ddy of li3 xy whole square I get minus 2 log 1 minus xy li2 xy divided by y, and after that I get this value. Okay, this value is this value. So friends, I can write this value from here. So omega 2 equals to 0 to 1 log a square 1 minus x li3 x divided by x and minus. So friends, you have already seen that it is omega 2 can be written is 2 part. This part, okay, this part can be written as harmonic generalization n equals to 1 to infinity hn whole square divided by n to the power 4 plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity hn square, this is the n to the power 4, and this part this is the minus symbol can be written minus, and it can be written that li3 x, sorry, it is not li3, it can be written as li2 x whole cube, because it is the derivative part in log 1 minus x divided by log x. So it is x equals to 0 to 1, and after that it can be written as 89 divided by 24 zeta 6 minus zeta square 3, and this portion can be written as minus 35 divided by 24 zeta 6. So friends, this value I get omega 1 and omega 2, and now after that you see that I will calculate total, because omega 1 value we have already find out this value omega 1. Okay, so just putting this value and please write down everything and you will get this value. Okay, thanks for watching. This is my total work. I hope I can clear this total concept.